Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, Sirius XM radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.